Hey guys, Uzama just killed Pinda for trying to save Mbali after they've kidnapped her, and I'm here thinking that this is going to be a very hectic week for us as iTonga viewers, especially since the show is coming to an end. And after watching the teaser of the show, I think they should have given us this very long time ago. I think now the show is being cancelled. So I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Well, I want to believe that all the viewers of iTonga have watched this week's teasers of the show, and I am certain that if you have watched those teasers, you are very much excited to see how the show is going to unfold. So what got me so excited is this scene. And on the scene, Upinda is trying to escape with Mbali. Well, at first, he tries speaking to his mom, telling his mom that he loves her and everything. Meaning that Upinda regrets everything that he has done, running away with Ntanzi, trying to kill his mom and all those things. So he's now trying to rectify everything. But unfortunately, he dies at the end. And I'm so certain that he does because teasers of the show tell us that Mbali is going to kill someone who is very close to her. And if that is not Pinda, then I don't know who it is. It has to be Pinda. And after watching the teasers, I've noticed that after Sanele found Mbali's location, the only people who are fighting there are Zama and his father Ntanzi. And I must say, I think we're going to see something from Ntanzi that we've never seen before, ever since we've seen him on our screens. I don't know, but I'm a bit excited about this finale. And not just the finale, about the whole show for the whole week. I don't know. So guys, that is all that I wanted to share with you here on this video. So comment in the comment section, share your thoughts, share your opinions about the finale of iTonga. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.